Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to send direct messages on X, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're looking to connect with friends or network professionally, messaging on X is easy and efficient. Let's get started. First, grab your device and open the X app. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. You'll be ready to connect with others in just moments. Now that you're logged in, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a chat icon, usually represented by an envelope or speech bubble. Tap on that icon, and it will take you directly to your messages. Once you're in the messages section, you'll find a list of your recent conversations. If you want to start a new chat, simply tap the plus icon or search for the person you'd like to message. If you are looking to continue a chat, just select the conversation you want to open, and you're in. After opening the conversation, you'll see a text box at the bottom of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Tap on the text box and begin typing your message. Keep it casual, ask questions, or share updates. The choice is yours. Once your message is ready to go, look for the send button. It often resembles a paper airplane icon. Go ahead and press that button, and just like that, your message is sent. And there you have it. Sending direct messages on X is quick and straightforward. Don't hesitate to reach out to others and make connections. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.